All right, we are making no-bake cheesecake. All you do is have your cream cheese soften. Then I'm gonna add my sweetened condensed milk, and then our lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vanilla. There we go, my vanilla. Oops. Oh dear. This is Tara's cooking show. What can I say? All right, then we have our pie crust. If you want this no-bake cheesecake recipe, it is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2 on page 304. The link to get it is in the description below. It's 25% off right now. All right, there is crust. Oh, did I mention that I really miss cheesecake since going dairy-free? This is worth making myself sick over. I love cheesecake. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for several hours and let it set up. All right, there we have our no-bake cheesecake. Yum. Now we're gonna take and add the cherry pie filling on top.